Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Proper champ.
Triumphant, yeah, no doubt.
Oh, he's down! He's down!
Oh, dude. I think I'm dying.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
So how do you feel? Do you feel like a proper champ?
Triumphant, yeah, no doubt. I knew I could do it. I knew the Vespa was going to do it.
To be fair, you've put faith back into that Vespa after pushing it through nearly every deep bit. So you did it in style, man.
Yeah.
Did it in proper style. Well done.
And we're off again. Now this does look a bit...
Technical.
Oh, yeah. Need to try and pick a line across it. That was the frame again.
Here we go. Monkey bike with ease. Monkey. Whoa! Come on, keep going.
There we go. Oh! Oh, another water crossing.
Are you taking the piss?
I'm not. And it looks deep. It's only a short one. Oh man, I thought that was the last one.
I thought they said there wasn't really much else after that. Oh, Mr. Dazza made it through there, all right?
Right, I'm having a wade.
What, like John Wade? Whoa!
Just above my knees.
Yes. Yes.
About here.
About above your knees?
There, here.
What
But
about?
it's bouldery, but that's shallower. I'm going that way. And I'm pushing.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Power! You right there, Vespa? Oh shit! Hang on.
You're ready to come out the way.
Ah, yes. No job too small for a monkey, is there? Look at it, baby. Woo!
Here he comes. Here comes the hero. Ooh!
You right?
Yeah. Front wheel hit rock.
That's the only thing when you hit that rock, innit?
Yeah. Here he comes. Hero's up. That's it. Let's go. Oh.
Big of a rock. Up.
Oh.
Here we go, up. Yeah, man. Are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Shit. Not a good idea. Shit. Oh!
Oh.
Oh, that's not just smash something. Woo!
Big puddle. See how deep this is. Yes, Vespa.
Yes. Yes, mate.
You through?
Through.
Right, big boulders again. Oh, I've got very little brakes. Oh, big boulders, big boulders. Come on, Vespa. That's it, baby. Oh.
Whew.
Woo!
You're going for it, big boy.
Oh, where are you?
You go on, mate. You're doing your thing. Ah. It's like 10 minutes and you need a rest.
I know. His dad's behind you.
Oh, I think so. I heard him a minute ago.
Here he comes.
That's it, innit? That's the road.
No.
Thanks for coming.
No, still going, mate.
Something in my eye, something in my eye.
Oh, big puddle. Doesn't look too bad. Gun in it. Yeah.
Gun in it.
Big muddy puddle. Keeping to the left. Left's quite shallow. Another big puddle. I have no idea, so...
It's like guided instructions, isn't it?
I'm going through the middle. It's quite deep.
Powering it, mate. I'm just powering it. Oh, you've stopped again. Whoa, that's deep. That's deep, baby. Whoa, my back end's going again. Come on. Monkey bike.
I think when it gets that wet, the belt slips on this.
I feel my whole rear wheel coming off, mate.
There we go.
Wait for Mr. Dazza.
Another water crossing coming up.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all right. What are we doing? We're like old hats at water. Is there a big rock there?
Yeah, I just caught the corner of it.
We're like an old hat up at this now.
I think it gets wet and the belt's slipping because it feels like it's not doing anything.
Big rock where there, isn't it?
Yeah, you'll find it.
You alright, mate?
Yeah.
See ya. Woo! Big rocks in here. Powering through. Powering through. You alright? All good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going, boys.
Yes.
I feel a really nice cold beer cooling out of your cool box. Or even a pub at this point, actually.
Whoa!
You alright?
The belt's slipping on this and it suddenly grips. And I just popped a massive wheelie.
It's because you've got skills now. There's dead stuff in here. Come on, monkey. Come on, this does not look like a place you want to push through. There is flies and rats and Loch Ness Monster. Woo! Another one, mate. Another one. You ready? Wait for Mr. Dazza. Are you stuck?
Me?
Yeah.
I've taken a different route. I've regretted it now already.
Well, there goes Mr. Dazza.
Fuck. I've made a mistake.
What are you doing?
Tried going round on the grass. There's a great big hole.
Fuck, this is, mate, this is quite epic. Come on, monkey.
I'm
Always apply power. Always apply power.
Oh, fuck it.
And again. Oh, just wait for him to push it through. Are you pushing it through, Aaron?
I'm wondering if I can get round here.
Have you picked a silly thing to do? You muppet. Oh, he's down! He's down! Darren, you're one step away from a proper, full-on man hug. Come on. Come on, boy, you can do it. You've done well. Just think, Our next video's got to be more gnarly than this. Just think, you went in a bum hole earlier. You can do this. You just went down the one bit with a rock in front of you.
I'm so tired.
Do you want to stop for a minute after it's a eat?
Oh. 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 I'm hot. Yeah. Oh.
You just sunk in the middle.
Oh, dude. I think I'm dying.
I'll get you something to eat. Mr. Daz has gone. He's got the food.
Right. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right.
Hang on, listen. If you could literally give me one word to explain how you're feeling at this point, what would it be?
I can't even think.
That's your one word, I can't even think.
Yeah.
That's like 3 words. We go, is this deep?
Not too bad, no, but it's starting to rain.
So that means it's getting deeper?
Might do.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's like riding a donkey, isn't it? Lots of umps. Was that a camel? Let's go.
Oh. Oh.
You follow through?
Yeah.
I should stand up really and give it some beans, but I feel so tired.
Oh no.
What? What?
What's that?
What?
I've got a fucking flat tyre.
You really?
Yeah. Oh shit, the bed.